Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. If this saves your surprises, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real life hacks. Let's talk about this. So, if you're trying to archive or hide orders on Amazon in 2026, I've got some bad news. They completely got rid of the archive feature last year. No more archiving button, and everything just stays in your main order history. A lot of us use that to hide gifts, like buying something for your spouse or kids without spoiling the surprise, right? The good news is there's still a solid way to keep things private. Separate accounts with Amazon Family. If you share Prime, this is perfect. It lets two adults share all the benefits but keep order histories totally separate. My friend and I do this on our personal account. I can't see what he buys, he can't see mine. But we both get fast shipping, Prime Video, all that stuff. Super handy for Christmas or birthdays. Here's how it works. The person with the Prime subscription logs in, hovers over Account and List top right, clicks Your Account, then scrolls to Amazon Family. Hit Add Adult. Have the other person make their own free Amazon account if they don't have one, enter their email, and send the invite. They accept from the email, you both agree to share payments for verification. Address has to match too, but orders completely private. Even I, as the main account holder, can't peek at hers. Boom. Gifts stay secret. You can add kids or teens too if needed. If you don't have Prime, just make separate accounts anyway. Same address, same card, no big deal. That's the best workaround since archiving is gone for good. Unless they bring it back. And if they do, I'll make a video right away. Drop a comment. You using Amazon Family yet? Like, and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you next time. Take care.